What's up, everybody? It's a girl who is, in fact, Dadaspy. I can do double finger guns now. Pew, pew, pew. And before you start talking to me later on in the video and say, Laura, your hair is different from the first makeup video you did. Yes, it is. I got it cut. See? Look at that. All that aside, this tutorial is going to be how to cover up tattoos part uno. Now, the reason why I say part uno is because this one in particular is focusing on tattoos that have black ink on them as soon as I'm able to actually point at it. I will have a second video up at some point in the near future, which is how to deal with covering up colorful tattoos. But I figured it'd be easier to do two separate videos because there's a little bit of a different technique to both of them, mostly in the color correction that you would need. But I'm really excited that this gets to kick off my special effects makeup Halloween stuff for all of October. I'm really excited that I've actually done this, and I can't believe that I actually am most likely releasing this at a reasonable time. So this is going to be really cool. So keep an eye out for the next video for the colorful tattoo tutorial cover-up thing, and then for now, we'll go for the black ink. I don't know how to fucking do this so I can show you. Is this gonna work? Okay. I will post a link to all of the products that I use in the description somewhere, and if you like what you see, thank you so much for viewing. And if you like this, my name is Laura, and I am Dadaspy. And if you didn't like this, I am Glam and Gore. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!